Hey, Keye Academy lovers! Are you ready to grow your very first garden but not sure where to begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing the 7 top gardening tips for beginners that'll make your green thumb grow in no time. Let's dig in. 7 tips for beginners. Tip 1. Garden site it right. The site of a successful garden captures the images of a beautiful house. To start your garden, pick a place near your house that you can go to every day. Your garden's needs and your ability to meet them depend on how often you visit. Regular visits allow you to observe changes in your garden, such as plant growth or signs of pests, enabling you to address issues promptly. This attentiveness ultimately contributes to the overall health and beauty of your garden. By staying engaged with your garden on a daily basis, you can ensure that any problems are identified and resolved quickly, fostering a thriving environment for your plants. This proactive approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your garden but also promotes its long-term vitality. Tip 2. Follow the sun's movement. Before you plant anything, ensure that you study how the sun's rays impact the various areas of your yard. Understanding the critical relationship between plant requirements and sunlight exposure is essential for any successful gardening endeavor. With most plants thriving on at least 6 hours of sunlight each day, careful consideration of their placement is paramount. Take notes of time-lapse observations that will reveal the dynamic movement of the sun across a garden, highlighting how different areas receive varying levels of light throughout the day. By studying these patterns before planting, gardeners can make informed decisions that optimize their plants' health and growth potential. Ultimately, a thoughtful approach to sunlight impact fosters a vibrant garden and enhances the overall gardening experience. Using this observation, you will be able to select the most suitable areas for planting, which will ensure that your plants receive sufficient sunshine for the greatest possible growth opportunities. Knowing the sunlight patterns in your yard will help you place plants wisely. Tip 3. Stay close to watering plants with a hose. To guarantee that a hose or watering can is available to your yard, it is essential to ensure that a person is able to water plants with a hose in a simple way. Because of this, you will be able to water your plants in a convenient manner without having to exert yourself or carry heavy containers over extended distances. This process will allow you to water your plants more efficiently. If you maintain your watering equipment near your plants, you may be able to attain a gardening experience that is both more enjoyable and more productive. Those warm summer days will come in the future, and you will be thankful to yourself for having prepared yourself for them. Tip 4. Start with great soil. Compost, soil mixing, and other related topics. A robust foundation is comparable to high-quality soil. In the same way that a solid foundation is what keeps a building from falling apart, excellent soil is what provides plants with the structure and nutrients they require to thrive. The purchase of solid soil is an investment that guarantees robust development and long-term sustainability when it comes to gardening or farming. To ensure your plant's success from the start, use rich compost or organic soil. Additionally, regular testing of the soil can help you understand its pH levels and nutrient content, allowing for targeted amendments that can further enhance plant health. By nurturing the soil, you create an environment where plants can flourish, ultimately leading to a more bountiful harvest. Tip 5. Consider containers with potted plants. A balcony that is completely covered with potted plants, which is beautifully decorated with potted plants placed at various spots, contributes to the creation of an outside setting that is both colorful and inviting. It enhances the environmental beauty and adds a touch of nature to the already vibrant living environment. Does the available space limit your options? It is not a problem at all. For new gardeners, patios and balconies, raised beds, containers, and pots are the best tools. These options not only maximize space but also allow for creative arrangements and easy maintenance. Planning can transform even the smallest areas into lush retreats filled with greenery and blooms. Tip 6. Choose the right plants. All of these plants, including herbs like basil, crops like tomatoes, and flowers like marigolds, are appropriate for novice gardeners to cultivate. These hardy plants require little upkeep, making it common to recommend them to those who are just starting out in the gardening world. The ease with which they may be cultivated makes it possible for beginner gardeners to quickly improve their self-confidence and enjoy the activity for a longer period of time. Tip 7. Feed plants regularly. You must moisten plants with compost tea or organic fertilizer to ensure their health. Like animals, plants also need nourishment. The importance of providing plants with the essential nutrients they need for their growth and overall health is brought into focus as a result of this. To thrive and produce fruit and vegetables, plants, just like any other living organism, require a diet that is well balanced since it is essential for their survival. You should add natural fertilizers or compost to them at regular intervals, such as once every 2 weeks, to keep them in excellent health and retain their strength. That concludes our discussion. Gardening requires patience, love, and a willingness to work hard. Start small, maintain consistency, and relish the process. If you found these tips helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for further inspiration and development. Drop a comment, 7, below and let us know. What's the first thing you plan to plant in your garden?